If you trade with leverage, your edge lives or dies on costs and execution. Today I'm testing Bybit versus Bitget Fees, liquidity, bonuses, funding, and the tools that actually help you keep more P&L. Quick note, my sign-up links are in the description. Bybit plus $30,000 bonus. Bitget $6,200 bonus. Check them after the video so your discounts activate before you place a trade. If you're a scalper or high-volume trader, Bybit often edges ahead on fees and deep order books. If you're newer or prefer copy trading bots, Bitget is extremely convenient. But don't just take my word, let me show you the math, the slippage, and how bonuses actually unlock so you don't leave money on the table. Fees that hit your P&L, let's talk maker-taker and why it matters. Example 1, tiny scalp goal. You chase plus 0.30% on a BTC Perpetual. If your taker fee is approximately 0.06% and you enter and exit with taker, that's roughly 0.12% in fees before funding. Now add funding if you hold through a funding timestamp, and maybe another 0.02 to 0.05% in spread slippage depending on liquidity. Your 0.30% target can shrink to approximately 0.10% to 0.13% net. That's why pros obsess over fees and execution. Example 2, maker bias near your level. If price comes to you, place a maker limit where you expect fills. Maker fees are lower. On some tiers they can approach zero or even rebates. Even saving 0.04 to 0.06% per side compounds massively over hundreds of trades. Key takeaway: before entries, know your current fee tier and discount status. After sign-up, open your fee, discount settings, and confirm they're active. Small leaks kill big edges. Liquidity and slippage, live test framework. Liquidity is about how much size you can push through the book without moving the price. Here's a simple on-screen test you can run. Simulate orders of $10,000, $50,000, and $100,000 on BTC, ETH perps on both exchanges. Don't execute if you don't want to. Just inspect the order book and the price impact. Note depth at 0.1% and 0.5% away from mid. Record estimated slippage for each order size. Typical result patterns you may see. On BTC, both are deep, but Bybit often shows more size close to mid, which helps $50,000, $100,000 entries and exits. On smaller outs, depth varies by market cycle. Check before you size up. If your style is one and done, larger tickets, shaving slippage by even 0.02 to 0.05% is real money. Bonuses, how they actually unlock. Big banners sound great, up to $30,000 or $6,200, but here's the reality in plain English. Bybit plus $30,000. Bonus, usually a mix of task center missions, deposit, volume milestones, and time-limited vouchers. You won't get everything instantly. Bitget $6,200 bonus. Similar idea: event series, voucher packages, possible launch products, and sometimes region-specific perks. Action plans so you don't miss rewards after sign-up. Open the reward task center and screenshot the tasks with deadline dates. Do the easy tasks first, basic KYC, first trade, small deposit, to unlock fee vouchers early. Track progress weekly. Bonuses expire, don't let them vanish because you forgot a deadline. Links are in the description. Bybit plus $30,000, Bitget plus $6,200, activate, then trade. Funding and hidden costs. Funding flips every few hours and can quietly drain scalps. Quick checklist before you click buy or sell. Funding rate now and the next timestamp. If you're long and funding is positive, you pay. If it's negative, you may receive. Spread. Wideness increases during news. Avoid paying both spread and taker fees unless your setup requires it. Withdrawals and chain choice, L2 or cheaper networks save fees. Stablecoin routes can differ by a few dollars per move. If your system allows, bias to maker near your levels and use reduce only on scale-outs to avoid accidental flips. Features: copy trading versus pro tools. Bitget strengths: a huge copy trading ecosystem, easy to browse top traders, metrics, drawdowns, and pair preferences. Great for beginners who want a structured way to follow strategies while learning risk controls. Bybit strengths. Derivatives breadth, perps options in many markets. Often fee and volume friendly for active, self-directed traders. If you're running systems, hedges, or multi-leg structures, you may appreciate the product set. Either way, the right pick is about your workflow. Do you want one-click copy and bots, or do you want maximum control on entries, exits, and instrument choice? A few universal practices. Turn on 2FA and withdrawal address whitelists immediately. Keep long-term funds off exchanges in cold storage. Treat exchanges as venues for execution and short-term inventory. KYC is standard. Some regions have extra steps. For fiat, explore bank transfer on-ramp options in your country to reduce friction and cost. Who should choose what? Pick Bybit if you care most about fee tiers, deep liquidity on large tickets, and derivatives breadth. Pick Bitget if you want copy trading, bots, solid futures, and a more guided experience. Reality, many traders keep both. Use Bybit for high-velocity strategies and big tickets, Bitget for copy trading or when specific promos line up with your plan. Mini pre-trade checklist, fee discount on, current tier verified, funding near zero or in your favor, mark liquidity pockets. Try maker fills near your level, reduce only on exits. No accidental flips. During news, expect wider spreads and faster whipsaws. So Bybit versus Bitget, which one actually helps your edge? My sign-up links are in the description. Bybit plus $30,000 bonus and Bitget plus $6,200 bonus. Comment your typical position size and style scalp, intraday or swing, and I'll reply with fee and slippage tweaks you can use this week.